5042, you're responding?
Northwest Willow Road?
That's correct, 5 personnel. Engine 54-2, okay. Tanker 60, you call?
Right on the
Left.
lane.
Yeah, left. Or right on Millwood.
Tanker 60 is responding.
Is anybody else?
Tanker 60, okay. County Tanker 55 responding. Tanker 55, okay. Rescue 55, okay. Millwood Road and Industrial Services, A building. Engine 502, truck 50, and rescue 66. This is station 55. Off channel 10, 10 3. Truck 50. County ambulance 46-1, pallet LGH. What's 46-1? I copy your message. I'll be in or out and on scene momentarily. System 55. Tanker 60 from County around location, nothing showing. Tanker 60 on scene, nothing showing. Engine 55-2 around. Engine 55-2, okay. County Assistant 55, I am arriving. Nothing showing. Sides. Alpha and Charlie. But beyond investigating with command. System 55, okay. County, right. 55. Tanker 55 on location. Tanker 55, okay. Engine 66-1-3.
It's gonna be
Engine 66-1.
It's gonna be this long building here on the left.
Truck 50. 54-2 is on location. Engine 54-2. Engine 502-3. Engine 502.
The only way we're getting down there is backing in. With like school buses.
County, squad 502 is closing down all those places. Squad 502.
That's an easy back in for us.
Remaining units responding 70 level 2 stage to the point. I copy level 2 stage. What was the location? Yeah. Stage responding 330 Millwood Road, not the scene. Take a level 2 stage. Engine 55-2 will be holding at Chilton Road. Engine 55-2, okay. Mark 17. Engine 55-2, okay.
Jordan, do you have the camera? Huh?
Medic 67.
You can show us on scene, but can you have someone open the door for us? Disregard.